In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose category with Lovable. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard to change a project's category so it's easier to organize, filter, and find later. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable dashboard. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that so you land on your project view. Once the dashboard loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's your main navigation panel, and it's where you'll access all your projects. From that left-hand menu, click All Projects. This takes you to a list or grid of everything you have access to. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see the option, try expanding your browser or looking for a menu icon to reveal the sidebar. Now scan the list and select the project whose category you want to change. You can click directly on the project card or row to highlight the one you're working on. Next, find the three-dot menu associated with that project. Depending on your layout, it may appear when you hover over the project, or it might always be visible on the right side. Click those three dots to open the quick actions, then choose Settings. This will take you to the project's Settings page, where you can adjust details that affect how the project is organized. On the Settings screen, look for the section labeled Project Category. This is the field that determines how your project is grouped in filters and dashboards. To change it, click the drop-down menu next to Project Category. You'll see a list of available categories. Browse the list and select the one that best matches the project's purpose or content. If you manage many projects, choosing a clear specific category will make it much easier to sort and report on things later. After you select the category, the change will apply to your project. In most cases, you'll see it reflected immediately. If there's a save button on your screen, click it to confirm. Otherwise, Lovable will handle the update automatically. To double check, you can return to all projects and verify that the category now appears as expected for that project. That's it. You went to the dashboard, opened all projects, chose your project, used the three-dot menu to get to settings, found project category, opened the drop-down, and selected the right category. Quick tip, if you don't see the option to change categories, you might need the proper permissions for that project. Ask an admin to grant you access or make the change on your behalf.